You have reached the final lesson of this module. Lesson number 4, Adaptation and Mitigation Measures. In this lesson, we will explore recommended actions to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and adapt to climate change in agricultural and forest operations in Puerto Rico and the United States Virgin Islands. Our goal is for you to learn about the practices and programs available from the United States Department of Agriculture and partner agencies for greenhouse gas mitigation and climate adaptation. Climate change adaptation aims to reduce the exposure of workers, their farms, communities, and forests to the impacts and vulnerabilities of a changing climate, and to capitalize on opportunities for long-term resilience. The USDA Climate Hubs suggest a 5-step process to assess vulnerabilities of agricultural and forest operations and identify actions to enhance adaptive capacity. This process ranges from defining initial management objectives and topographic and climatic characteristics of the land to monitoring the effectiveness of implemented practices. Some recommended practices include strategies to improve soil health and measures to optimize water use. Mitigation focuses on reducing or capturing greenhouse gas emissions. On farms and forest lands, practices such as agroforestry systems and tree-integrated crops contribute to this through carbon sequestration. These practices, known as climate-smart agricultural and forestry mitigation activities, are key to combating climate change. When properly applied, these activities can yield quantifiable reductions in greenhouse gas emissions or increases in carbon sequestration. At the same time, they can contribute to sustained productivity, soil health, water quality, pollinator habitat, wildlife, and air quality. The USDA is committed to supporting farmers and forest managers in addressing climate change. Among other initiatives, they offer a multitude of subsidized conservation programs and disaster assistance. Programs like the EQIP provide financial resources or technical assistance to implement conservation practices, such as cover crop planting. The USDA's Caribbean Climate Hub is an important source of knowledge and tools. It features resources such as interactive maps, educational manuals, videos, and workshops, among others, where you can learn more about climate mitigation and adaptation in the Caribbean. These resources promote adaptation and mitigation strategies to work towards conservation and sustainability of natural resources. With the adaptation and mitigation measures presented in this module, we hope to strengthen the resilience of farmers, ranchers, forest managers, and workers in the agricultural and forestry sectors to changing climate. Congratulations! You have completed the introductory videos of all 4 lessons. For more in-depth information and to learn more about the effects of climate change in Puerto Rico and the United States Virgin Islands and the resources available for mitigation and adaptation, download the Climate Literacy module on this website and don't forget to complete the quiz questions to receive your certificate of participation.